During our trip from the south, I noticed some very weird vibration from the vehicle, and I thought it's the engine support because the idle is in normal RPM around 750 RPM. So it must not be the idle issue that's causing the vibration. And after washing the engine yesterday, I noticed that my radiator fan blade was broken, so you can see here in the video. And I tried to remove the blade itself, but the distance between the radiator is very tight, so it's very difficult to do so. So to remove the fan, just have to remove the radiator frame cover, and also the intercooler fan. Remove the bolts. There's 4 bolts. That's the 4th one. And disconnect these two hoses, and remove that one, and also this radiator hose. Unlock that one, and that another hose from the radiator cup. And and this time you can lift up the radiator fan frame. You can also remove the airbox cover if you need to. So simply lift that up. Make sure to remove the cover from below, and then just go ahead and unbolt the bolts behind the wheel. That's how you remove the whole fan. And you can use the open wrench to rotate the wheel so you can access the other bolts. And then after that, you can just remove the radiator fan already. So this is the radiator fan. We already removed the fan blade, and in order to open this, you need to use an impact tool. Now after opening the fan, this is how it looks like, and what you can see in the center is the silicone oil. So that's where the silicone oil goes. For the 4M40 engine, it requires around 4 to 5 or 5 silicone oils to totally or completely refill the radiator fan. Now that it's fully filled, it's time to put them back together. Now let's cover it and screw them back. And now it's time to put the fan blade. So the previous fan blade broke. 2 of the blades broke, and the other parts were already cracked, so it's time to replace them. I was also feeling some vibration or weird vibration, and I thought it was the engine support, but it looks like it's just the radiator fan. So after bolting the radiator fan blade, then we'll be ready to put them back in the engine. Put the radiator fan to the engine. As you notice, we didn't shoot any removal of the fan in this video. It's just installation. So in order to remove them on your own for your guide, just reverse the process in this video. What you can see here, the bolt that holds the radiator fan is behind that wheel. So there's 4 bolts there, assuming that your engine is 4M40, but yeah, this one has 4 bolts, and the bolt is accessed behind the wheel. Another tip or hack is use an open wrench to move the wheel so that you can access the other parts of the bolt, which is behind the wheel again. So after connecting all the bolt to the fan, it's time to tighten the bolt. So that's what we're doing, tightening the bolt behind the wheel. Again, use the open wrench to move the wheel so you can access the other parts of the bolts. So continue this process until you fully tightened all 4 bolts. Then your fan is completely installed. Just make sure to double check everything. Now the fan installation is complete, and time to test it by moving the fan. As you can see, it's very tight. It won't freely move, so that's a sign that your fan is back to working conditions, like a virgin tight. It's not loose. Now, before returning everything, it's time to wash this radiator fan frame. I like to always clean everything before putting them back together. So that's it, guys.